But first, there is some serious weather happening in the northern part of the state. Let's check in with 13 News meteorologist Bryan Hughes. He's at Canaan Valley where there's a blizzard warning. And Bryan, that's going to remain into effect until tomorrow morning. The winds don't look quite as intense, and that's saying something at this hour.
It really is. I mean, listen, here in the Tucker County area, I can tell you this, driving is completely hazardous. It is not suggested for anyone to be out and about into this evening, tonight, and even into tomorrow morning because, first responders cannot get to people. I mean, we're talking about wind speeds right now that are 30, 40 miles per hour on the wind gusts, and even as you get on the tops of the mountains, we're talking up to 50 miles per hour. So a blizzard warning was issued because visibility at times have been less than a quarter mile. Plus, you have those wind speeds that are up over 35. You get the snow that's coming down, and that's going to allow for more accumulations. When I was working my way here, you can see some of the drive that I had coming up here on video. It was not pretty. And listen, I wasn't going the fastest, but I sure was 10 and 2 the entire time. Even had snow chains ready and raring to go because it got pretty thick. Plus, once you got into some flat spots, that's where you had wind that was drifting the snow across the road. Matter of fact, I'm looking at snow drifts here by me on this back patio that are at 2 feet right now. The snow will continue to come down through the night, but is slowly going to taper off as we go through the overnight hours up here in the mountains. But I can tell you this, the ski resorts, Canaan Resort, Timberline, and also, over here at White Grass, they opened yesterday. That is a place where you can do snowshoeing and also cross-country skiing. The ski resorts are loving this. They're making so as well as packing it all in because that is something they're excited about. Many of the resorts are going to open up early, most likely, with the trend in our forecast models and data that shows much colder air for the rest of this month, and also, except for, Sunday and Monday, and also into the first part of December, which is really good news. But we're here in Canaan Valley, where I can tell you this, Amanda, it's very, very cold. And I can't wait to get back inside.
Well, we'll get you inside, Bryan, but what a great thing for the ski resorts after a really rough season last year, for sure. This is a fantastic start for them.
For sure.
No doubt about it, and fantastic fun for skiers, snowboarders, and the like. All right, Bryan, thanks. Go inside.